Hello guys, hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Igbo. I am a mommy vlogger in the beautiful city of Zürich. It is really sunny today. Let me show you what it looks like outside. It is really sunny, and today is also a fast night. It's like a carnival. It's a carnival, so today is fast night and the children are home today. Where I stay, it is not the same in the whole of Switzerland. So my kids are home and I'll have a bunch of activities and I want to take you along with me. Let's make this happen. First of all, I will be cutting this young man's hair and then we'll head out and just relax, enjoy, sit back and watch. And if you're stopping by for the first time, please consider hitting the red subscribe button. Let's become family. Okay, stay tuned. Here we are playful, goofy, we share information, we are playful, we are entertaining, and above all, educative. Okay?
Hey guys, welcome to my mommy's channel. My mommy is cutting my hair.
And what is your name?
My mustache.
So each time I want to cut his hair, I usually moisturize it by applying a leave-in conditioner to help soften it and make it easier to comb. So now let's create magic. Let's cut off the excess hair, leaving in the one that we are supposed to leave, and let's give it everything it's supposed to give. Okay? Authentic baba like me, see how serious I am looking. Don't worry, the end justifies the means. Yeah, as you can see, we are making progress. Oh yeah, Mama is getting it right, don't you think? Don't go nowhere, just keep watching, okay? Oh, and by the way, I've never been to a hair salon before or a barbing salon before. In the name of I'm going to learn how to cut hair, I just learned this thing on my own. Here in Switzerland is one of the highlights of living abroad. You become a jack of all trades, whether you like it or not. If not, be ready to go bankrupt. You work and work and work without seeing the result of what you've been doing. So you just have to find a way to make ends meet. Definitely. And of course we have to get that slate, the old school slate that never goes out of style.
We are done, guys. What do you think about that slit? Authentic baba. Yeah, that is the final look. So let's go ahead and go on to the next day's activities. All right, don't go nowhere. guys, so we're outside, obviously. So we are heading to the post office. I have to go order something, so I don't know, I don't even know what it is, but let me just get there and I'll find out, because I still need to ask questions about it. So anyway, I hope you've been enjoying the vlog so far. I know I haven't really vlogged much, but I just hope you're enjoying it. So let's turn around and see what the environment is looking like. Face game is snatched. I know. Thank you for your compliments in advance. So the sun wants to blind you. You're not going to tell me. Huh? It's like a hasha zukrugi. Gafere. The only disadvantage of applying lip gloss is your hair keeps sticking to your mouth or your lips. But who doesn't like glossy lips? Girls' problems, he plenty, not a finish. Oh. Sky is blue, it's blue, can't you see? It's 4 o'clock. Boom. We are here at the post office. The post. Chibugo Fonoza. Fonoza. Gashike. Kuteba. Hi. So, actually, the post performs many duties, many functions. Ordinarily, I do think it's just sending and receiving letters, mails, and packages, but obviously, they have much more. So, actually, what I went there to do, because I'm seeking for employment, so it's more like they said what is called in German is Straf something else too, but it simply means that they want to conduct a research to see if I have problems, I've ever had problems with job, or maybe if I had any problems with theft, robbery, or if I've been in any negative incidents. Actually, I don't know, I've forgotten how to put that, but obviously you understood what I mean. So they are going to conduct the research, and then I'll get the paper or the information, and then I can then submit it to any employer that I intend to work with. Basically, it. believe this building here is not a new building to my channel. This is actually an old people's home. Look at it from here, the green one and the one in bricks in front is an old people's home. Home, heading home, heading home. We are heading home, heading home, heading home, heading home. No one talking. I'm going to share. We are training. It's getting late and getting even colder. Don't judge my voice. So we are outside here. The kids are just having a great time, playing a little, playing a little. Bobby. We. Let's go. So let's stop. Let's go buy some stuff we need for the house. We are going to get some stuff, not so much, maybe one or two things. The hub, the music hub, veggies hub. This is veggie not on it feels really good to shop again without mask. If it were to be before, I would have just been wearing a mask, but thank God it's getting better. It feels good to have your full face free and you receive enough after wearing makeup is still covered up, and there will be nowhere air wouldn't be passing through. So I am actually happy to be here shopping again without mask. Anyway, we are done here. We are heading out now, going to pay, and we'll continue with house activities. By the way, this is not all that I've been doing since morning. I obviously omitted the crazy parts. It's not easy with these little munchkins, stubborn little ones. So, but thank God for it all. I mean, there's nothing like being a mom as well. Thank you for still sticking with me up to this end, and we just have a few more routines left for the day, and then we'll call it a vlog. the reality of winter is actually better now. You remember, it's not even up to 20 minutes I left outside before you can still see something, but now it's really, really dark. Now look, it's now dark. It's now dark. Achọrọ m ka nwa okorobịa ahụ jite ụkwụ ya garị lekwe ihe ọ bụga ọsọ lele Nnamdi werekwa nwa ya isi pịa nwa ahụ ntị o lele Zubi bịa ya ka ọzọ lele wọte We don't need to be together. 1, 2, 3, go on. Move. Stand up.
Stand up.
Oh yeah. Down. Down. Oh yeah. Stand up.
Stand up.
Stand up. Now bend. Stand up. Now move your feet forward. 1. Backwards. Oh yeah. Bring. Now get up. Stand up. Move backwards. Now come back forward. Backwards. Forward. Stand up. One leg up. One leg up. One leg up. Oh yeah. Stand up. Squat. Now jump. Jump. Come here. Jump. Now move forward. Backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Round. Behind. Lift up. Now move backwards. Forward. Now move forward. Now come forward. Keep coming. Now move back.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 2.
Come forward. Go with it. Come.
Can you read?
Come. Nandi, seeking. Lift up. You must move backwards.
Daddy.
What did I go? Obere no. Sisi. Obere wata. Achawe baya. Obere no. Asiya bana. Ofecha nkuya. Fere nawa. Ofecha nkuya. Fere wabe. Oya. Nam definitely. Get the zoom now. Zubi, get up. So guys, we've come to the end of today's vlog. Hopefully you loved it, hopefully you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up, like, comment and share. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please, I'm still begging you, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Remain blessed. Bye.